Now guys, if this is not the quickest crochet braid I've ever done, I don't know what is. I got this hair from my beauty hair shop in town. I thought it looked bushy. It looks like it's gonna get all roughed up straight away, but I'm giving it a go anyway. This is the passion twist, so I'm tempted to use it to do crochet. She's only 14 inch long and the color is TB30. So I'm just gonna show you guys quickly how I attached it on. Under 30 minutes I was done. The braid pattern himself is just going straight back, with the exception of that one line. I prefer to have that one line behind my neck, just to prevent excessive pulling. So the only struggle I have really using this hair is like finding the middle part of it, because it's so-called pre-loop, and if you mess with it too much, the hair will start to lose the shape and whatnot. So other than that, it was really quick. Under half an hour, like I said, this hair was installed. To my surprise, it was so light, really light. I was freaking out. With the way it looks like those type of hair are gonna be heavy, but no, it's really light. And if I take this off, I plan on reinstalling it again. I don't know if I can reinstall the same one, because it'll probably get all fluffy and whatever by the time it's old, but I will be buying this type of hair again. So I end up using nearly 6 packs. I will be showing you in a minute what was left out of 6 packs of hair. What else happening here? No, there's not a lot to say other than I'm absolutely loving this style. From the time I made this video to the time I'm doing this voiceover, it's actually over a week I have gone, and everyone loved it. Yes, I'm trying to I'm adapting from the straight hair I took off to this one. I'm adapting to it. So here is me quickly showing you close up how really I latched up the hair, the crochet hair, into my own existing cornrows. So I basically just put a crochet needle under the cornrows. So I wanted to say actually first that this cornrow is a good 3 days old cornrows, because I don't cornrow my hair often. So when I do cornrow my hair, I find it really tight, even though I'm doing it myself, and I'm very careful not to make it tight. So I figured if I cornrow the hair 3 days before, keep it moisturized, and before I'm due to install the crochet, the cornrows will be much looser, which was the case. So I will be doing my crochet from now on like this. This way I've just done. Cornrow the hair, leave it for a day or so, then go in and add the hair to it. So in the end, I have no tension whatsoever coming from the the tightness that can come with having crochet. So one more time before I leave you to go, I'm just gonna show you again how I latched this hair in. And yes, it was really quick and simple. I've never installed crochet braid in my hair that was so quick and straightforward. I will be turning around so you can get the full gist of the braid pattern I'm using. It's very straightforward. Straight back, one line on the back of the neck, and that was it. I oil my scalp before I start. So that is it. With my hair length, it's very hard to get everything to fit in. So I basically do slightly smaller cornrows halfway. Then at the back, there's only a total of 4 or 5 cornrows connecting each other. So that is it really. That's all I have to say about this beautiful hairstyle. I'm absolutely loving it. Everyone I walk is loving it. My partner doesn't mind it. So yeah, this is it guys. I will leave you to enjoy the rest of the video. If you've not already subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up, that would be nice. Okay, do share this video, that will be even better. I will see you guys on the next one. Okay, ciao.